Hello.
Hello po.
Hi, good evening. Good morning na pala.
Yes, isang magpalang umaga po sa lahat.
Okay, wait lang. Let's fix the audio. Naka-loudspeaker ka ba? Naka-headset?
Regular.
Regular. Ano yung regular?
Wala pong headset. Walang anything.
Hindi ka naka-loudspeaker?
Hindi rin po.
Ba't wala ba kayong kortina? Ang echo ng bahay nyo, ha?
Nagtago kasi ako. Hindi naman kasi ako prepared.
Hindi ka prepared, tapos PM ka sa akin.
3 days na. Nawala na po kasi ako ng gana. Parang feeling ko hindi na rin ako matatawagan. Parang gano'n.
So wala ka ng gana ngayon?
Ay, meron naman. Aayusin ko para sa'yo papacheck.
Okay, is there any way that you can speak louder? Sobrang hina po.
Of course. How about this?
Yeah, pwede bang ilapit sa labi yung telepono, ganun po. Tapos nalakas ang magsalita.
Ito na po. Perfect.
Ayan.
Better.
Wala naman, charot mo kami. Hina.
Ay, hindi pa rin.
Sobrang hina.
Okay. Ano pa ko ng place to be. Wait. Kumusta ka muna?
Hello? Ay, ang labo, no? Oo. Asan ka ba nga? Ano pangalan mo? Hello?
Katrina.
Ano po?
Katrina.
Wala kami maintindihan gaano.
Katrina.
Katrina. Ayan. Ilan taon ka
Yeah.
na, Katrina?
28.
Ayan, 28. Sige.
Opo.
Asan ka ngayon?
Sa Zambales po.
Zambales.
Opo.
Ilocano ka?
Hindi po. Sambal. Sa northern part po kasi kami ng Zambales.
Sambal. Gaano kalayo
Opo.
ang salitang, gaano ka different ang Zambal sa Ilocano?
Sobrang layo po nila. Tapos kasi may variants yung Sambal na dialect namin eh. May Sambal
talaga?
na, yes po. Tapos nung
Paano sabihin sa Sambal ang magandang gabi? Sambal.
maabig ayabi.
Ano, sorry?
Maabig ayabi.
Maabi agaibi.
Maabig ayabi.
Maabi ayabi.
Yes, perfect.
Malayo nga. Kasi sa Ilocano, naimbag Arabi.
Opo, and sa pagkakaalam ko, ang pinakamalapit sa dialect na Sambal ay Kapampangan.
Oo nga. Okay. Anyways,
And
si
So, yun
Katrina ay 28 from Zambales. Tama na?
yes po.
Okay. Sige. At anong ginagawa sa buhay ni Katrina?
Ngayon po, nagtatry na naman ng another venture.
Okay.
I'm a photographer.
Okay.
So, parang feeling ko jack of all trades na ako. Master of none. So, ever since, like parang 2 years na kasi rin ako papalit-palit ng linya.
Okay.
Parang gano'n. Tapos, it feels like a game. Parang naglalaro ako.
Anong Katrina?
Po.
Ano yung gamit mong telepono? Ano ba yan? Di uling o di pedal yan?
Biga.
Hindi ka namin maintindihan. Te.
Ay, pasensya na. Ayan, okay na ba?
Idikit mo sa Adam's Apple. May Adam's Apple ka, no?
Wala po.
Wala. Nagtatanong sila kung are you a member of LGBTQ?
Yes, I'm a transgender woman.
Sabihin mo perfect. Kasi yung perfect ka ng perfect. Sa isa pa dali, perfect. Sabihin mo.
Hayaan mo na. Sorry na po. But yes, I'm a trans woman.
Talaga? Anong kahulugan? Ano ang difference na, okay lang magtanong?
Oh, of course.
Anong kahulugan ng anong kapagkakaiba pala ng trans woman at saka transgender?
Yung transgender kasi is the umbrella. So, di ba may trans man tsaka trans woman. So, I'm trans woman.
Pag
Living
sinabing
like a woman.
pag trans woman, pag sinabi, you've undergone operation.
may mga surgeries but it doesn't necessarily mean na kailangan may surgeries. As long as you feel that you are a woman, as long as you are
Mahabang-
living like a woman.
Mahabang
you're a trans
debate yan
woman.
ngayon no? Yung ganyan, no? Pag ang pakiramdam ko
Oo.
babae, baba. Oo.
But
Anyways.
it all boils down to respect. I mean,
Mm.
hindi naman siguro makakasama para sa kanila if sinabi ng isang tao na babae ako kahit hindi naman siya mukhang babae, then yun yung gusto niya, ibalaro na lang natin sa kanya.
So that's how you feel. So pag sinabi ko sa yung kambing ako ngayon, maniniwala ka?
If that makes you happy and
Okay. Sige.
so, diba? Parang sino ba naman ako para questionin ka pa?
Okay, sige. Sa usapan natin yung Katrina, isa akong lampshade, ha?
Okay.
Then, alam ko, binibiro lang kita. I have to, dalawang kapatid kong member ng LGBTQ. So I know how to be around you.
Oh,
Yes,
ayun.
dalawa sila. Dito sa tirahan ko, yung kuya ko kasama niya yung jowa niya, 'di ba? That's why I always have a well tucked bed dahil they come from hotel industry at ang linis ng bahay ko. Alam mo yun, sobrang ako. 'Di ba? Masarap pagkain. I like it. But anyways, we're not here to talk about your orientation, tama?
Opo.
Okay.
I mean, the topic or yung mga parang
Career.
gusto ko lang itanong. Yeah, career,
Okay.
love, hindi ko na alam kung ano yung parang...
Teka lang muna, you are a photographer, sabi mo kanina.
Yes po.
What is your gear? Nikon, Canon, Sony?
Actually, dalawa. Meron akong Sony.
Mm.
Pero, lately, parang mas na-inlove ako sa Fujifilm.
Kasi nga medyo vintage san, di ba?
Real.
Ano ba yun? Parang may gate yung bibig mo. May ingay.
Nandito na ako malapit sa kalsada kasi naririnig ng pamilya ko. Hindi nila alam na meron akong nararamdaman mga ganito.
Pwede bang kulungin mo ng kamay? Hello, ganon.
Ay, ayan po, hello?
Yeah, that's so much better. Keep it that way,
Ayun.
Katrina. Anyways, kanina I was watching a YouTube video. And sabi nila, the perfect lens, if you have to choose perfect lens, except for telephotos, 35 millimeter.
Yes.
Wala
Kasi
akong
siya yung pinaka-perfect.
talaga.
Lalo pag port. Yes.
Better than 85 millimeter?
Para kasi siya yung go-to lens ko eh.
Parang walk around lens siya,
Parang
no?
hindi na, yes po. Parang hindi na masyadong maraming lens yung dadalhin.
Alam mo, yan lang ang lens na wala ko. I have that, familiar ka sa Trinity, di ba? Hello?
Ayan. Hello po.
Familiar ka sa Trinity?
Trinity?
Oo. Anyway, old school ako. So, when I learned photography, may tinatawag na Trinity.
Yes.
Isang tawag nito? Portrait lens, isang mid-range, isang long range. If you have that, you covered mo na lahat ng bases. So, meron akong 50mm na 1.4. Meron akong 24-70, 2.8 constant. I have 70 to 200, 2.8 constant. Dalawa yung puti kong lente ng Canon. Binenta ko yung isa. So, that's my lens. I have another 2.8, 24-70 na Tamron. I have 10 to 20 millimeter na fisheye. I have, dami ko lens dito eh. But I have wala akong 35 millimeter. I was trying to, kanina. Alam mo kung di ako na-traffic kanina, bumili ako ng 35 millimeter kanina.
Pwede nang mag-order online. Maraming mga
Buti na lang. Kasi
store
nakita ko
online.
siya, parang 85,000.
Medyo pricey. Well,
Oo.
sabi din naman nila, mag-invest sa lens, wag sa body.
So, nung nakita ko yung 85,000, bumili ako ng Starbucks. Nagkape na lang para nervousin ako.
Pero, pagdating naman sa photography, isa lang yung natutunan ko siguro so far. And I'm very thankful na
Gusto ko
may lesson
marinig
ka
yan. Gusto ko marinig yan. Ano yan? Tingnan ko lang kung parehas tayo ng natutunan. Sige, tell me that.
Sabi kasi nila,
Mm.
ang sabi nila, hindi mahalaga kung gaano, kung ano yung camera na gamit mo. Either kahit hindi siya yung most expensive or pinaka-latest, as long as memorize mo or gamay mo siya, alam mo kung paano mo siya gagamitin, then you will produce a very amazing photo. So, parang sa life din, kasi yung mundo nakadesenyo siya para patunayan sa'yo na wala kang kwenta, na hindi ka magaling, na wala ka lang kalalagyan. Pero pag kilala mo yung sarili mo, hindi mo sila paniniwalaan. Kahit gaano pa ka-harsh yung iparating sa'yo ng mundo. So, I think that's the similarity nilang dalawa. So, as long as you know yourself, parang mas gamay mo siya, then makakapag-produce ka ng magandang lifetime.
I completely agree with you. Sabi nila, it's never about the pana, it's always about the Indian. Narinig ko na yan sa photography.
So,
Anyways, yun lang. So, Sony ka, no? Kailan lang, before ka pinasa yung SOCMED namin sa station, we purchased a Sony FX3.
baka naman may hiring tayo dyan, Papa Jackson. Charing.
Hindi na ako manager eh. So, sorry, wala na. Oo.
Tali.
Pero
Dyan
ngayon,
kasi
ang gear ko ngayon ay isang Canon R at Canon R6.
Well, actually, isa kaming team. And ako yata yung parang pinaka-latest or pinaka-huli sa amin na natutong humawak ng camera.
Okay.
So, parang ako yung sa team, parang ako yung beauty queen before.
Oh, beauty queen.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, parang, and then nung sabi ko, ayoko na mag-pageant kasi 28 na ako. Yung mga kabatch ko nag-graduate na sila sa pageant. So, meron silang mga kanya-kanyang life. Parang ako na lang yung kumukontest. So, nag-graduate ako sa pageantry. After that, nung nag-start kami mag-pageant, nag-eleksyon.
Mhm.
Nagkataon, yung mga tumakbong mayor, bali dalawang mayor candidates yung hawak namin nung nakaraang eleksyon.
Mhm.
Kung ano yung mga pinaggagawa namin sa pageant na pasabog, yun din yung ginawa namin sa politics.
Mm.
Medyo aliw.
Okay. Anyways.
So, yun yung parang pinaka-main na pinagkakaabalahan namin ngayon.
Mhm. Anyways, why'd you call me tonight?
So, medyo kasi parang naguguluhan na ako. Hindi ko na alam kung tama pa ba yung decision ko sa buhay. Kasi sabi ko nga sa'yo, Papa Jack, diba? I'm parang jack of all trades na. Parang lahat. Feeling ko rin naman, magagamit ko pa rin naman sila kasi, well, may diploma, may license, tapos, meron akong sales background, which was the initial. Yun yung pinakaunang-una ko talaga ng trabaho. Tapos, naging executive assistant ako sa, yung mga virtual assistant, nagganon din ako.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Tapos, so parang, feeling ko ang dami-dami ko lang kayang gawin. Nagtuturo ako, kaya ko magturo. Pero hindi ko pa rin nahahanap yung purpose ko.
Okay.
Tapos, dahil kahanap ko ng purpose ko na yan, parang feeling ko ang dami ko mga decision sa buhay na mali. Parang hindi na siya tama. Na tipong, ito na naman, bago na naman. Pag hindi na naman ito yun, ayoko nang mag-start all over again. Parang nakailang season 1 na ako. Tapos, ito pa. Feeling ko, ako na yung toxic. Sasamahan ko din ng medyo love life, ha?
Sige, go ahead.
Kasi, pagka mayroon yung halimbawa mga nagpaparamdam sa akin,
Okay.
parang ako na yung toxic. Parang hindi na ako naniniwala.
Kasi nga ayaw mo sa nagpaparamdam sa'yo. Try mong gusto mo yon, hindi ka magiging toxic. So, that's normal. Di ba?
Parang pet ko rin naman.
Alam mo,
Pero
kung
parang-
bet mo, hindi ka magiging toxic dyan. If you at some point feel that someone is, sorry for the term, disposable or dispensable, hindi mo yan ganun ka gusto. Because you are careful with the people that you love and care, diba? Truly care about. That's the bottom line.
Oh, I see.
Mm-mm. But I'm more interested, let's talk about yung kanina sabi mo parang, I like that, no? Parang season 1 na naman, no? When you said that.
Nakakapagod na.
Why'd you say that? Bakit mo sinabi yan?
Kasi, sinabi ko na siya dati, parang 2024 yata, yung unang beses, sabi ko parang, hala, nag-VA na ako ng sobrang tagal. Since 2020, hindi na ako nakaalis dito sa amin, sa probinsya namin. Eh, di ba nga, kung gusto mong mabago yung environment mo, at kapag feeling mo, komportable ka sa kanilalagyan mo, then you are at the wrong place. Kasi nakatira pa rin ako sa mga magulang ko, and well, I'm so blessed to have them na wala akong masyadong iniisip na parang hanggang ngayon, anak pa rin ang turing nila sa part na paggising ko may pagkain nakain, hindi ko
Okay.
problema yung labahin. So in short, very comfortable na sabi nga nila, pag komportable ka, then hindi yan yung tamang kalalagyan mo dapat. So, lalo na sa akin, ambisyosa din ako. Gusto ko rin may mas marating pa. So, ang nangyari, umalis ako ng Zambales. So, pinag-pray ko yun na sana ibigay sa akin ni Lord lahat. Yung magmula sa location, kasi ako mag-work, anong magiging trabaho, magkano ang sasahurin, naibigay naman din ng Lord. Thankful ako doon. Very grateful. Parang feeling ko umaayon na siya kasi ang galing. Lahat ng mga pinanalangin ko natupad. Pero pagdating ko doon, feeling ko ako na rin yata ang mali na nakalimot din ako. Parang ang dami ko ng mga decision na hindi tama. Ayoko na mag-disclose kasi something like hindi na siya, suitable for our viewers. Pero yun yung mga decision na talaga magpapabago ng life natin. So, sinabi ko talaga kay nanay ko na nag-resign ako kasi parang 3 months lang ako dun sa BGC nun eh. September, October, November, mga ganun. Tapos umuwi na ako ng Zambales. Sabi ni nanay ko, ang ganda-ganda na trabaho mo doon. Nasa maayos kang tinitirahan. Tapos aalis ka pa. Ang sinabi ko lang sa kanya, pag bumalik ako doon, baka may chance na pagsisisihan mo tong araw na to. Sinabi ko sa kanya na sana pinayagan ko na lang siya mag-stay dito kasi kaya nalaman ko hindi gumagana yung number ng DOH. Yung mga hotlines nila, hindi naman talaga gumagana yun. Pagka yung wala kang makausap, feeling mo parang wala na, mali na yung decision ko, hindi ko na ito mapaplansya ulit. Mali na, ayoko na mag-start all over again. Siyempre, parang gusto mo na, tama na, tigil na. Kasi sabi din nila, just because you're trying, it doesn't mean you will make it. Diba? So, parang ando na ako sa point na ayoko na, stop na, tigil na. Feeling ko magiging masaya. May mga pamangkin naman ako na mag-aalaga sa mga magulang ko. Kumbaga, hindi na masyadong malaking kawalan if ever na
I have a question
umalis
for
na
you. Why were you calling DOH, by the way?
Is it normal sa mga trentahin na nararamdaman to?
Well, surprise, surprise. I went through the same thing.
Diba?
Well, yung you overanalyze your life. You overanalyze your life and you feel like you're done enjoying the youth. No? So you wanted a more legitimate direction. Tama, no?
Mm-mm.
So let's put that in a term like you have not found your niche, parang ganun. Ano? You
Ay,
haven't
yung mga aso namin.
you have not found your your legitimacy in this lifetime to know where you're exactly heading to. Tama, no? Ganun. But ganun daw, ano?
Pero may natuklasan ako.
Ano yun?
Denial to eh. Parang feeling ko, mahirap kasi. Feeling ko nasa public service ako.
Mhm.
Pero ayaw mag-politics. Kasi ganito yun. Nung pageant, remember, sumasali kami ng pageant.
Okay.
Meron akong advocacy na ginawa. Parang kasi repeater ako doon sa pageant na yun. So sumali ako nung unang taon, first runner-up. So parang hindi ko pwedeng babaan yung expectations. Modesty aside, Papa Jack, talaga inabangan din naman yung pagsali ko ulit. Parang ganong level.
Okay.
So, ngayon, sabi ko, okay, nag-tourism tayo last year. Parang ang pinakita natin yung mga magagandang places sa municipality natin. Ngayon, ang i-feature natin yung female, yung mga kababaihan.
Okay.
Parang ganon. So, nag-feature kami ng mga babae. And then eventually, dumating yung point na yung may mga girls na nagbabayad para ma-post namin, ma-feature namin. Pero sinasabi namin na hindi nila kailangan magbayad. To make the story short, nagkaroon kami ng funds. And then, yung funds na yun, sabi ko, parang ang tsaka naman pagka ibabalik pa natin to, ang hirap mag-audit. Yung sobrang pera, ginamit na lang namin pang outreach.
Okay.
So, sa pageant yon, naging awa ng Diyos, naging mabait lang din talaga ako. Kaya halos lahat ng ginamit namin ng pageant, kung hindi namin nakuha ng mura, pinagamit lang ng libre. So, yung mga perang nalikom namin, para makita ng mga taong nag-donate na may napuntahan talaga siya, is nag-community outreach kami. At yun na nag-start. Sunod-sunod na yung mga community outreach namin kasi maraming nagtatap, nagdo-donate para gusto din nila na parang maka-help. So in short, naging successful yung aming ginawa na for pageant lang dapat. Pero Papa Jack, kahit gaano ko kapagod nun, yung tipong 2 hours lang yung tulog, hindi ako nagreklamo.
Because
na
you enjoyed
kasi,
exactly what you did.
Yes, nagtanim kami ng mangroves noon. At saka magpapasko din yun, magbibigay kami ng mga regalo dun sa kababaihan doon sa isang isla.
Okay. Why are you telling me this, Katrina?
Hindi ko rin alam kasi feeling ko pagka kinuwento ko siya sa iba, pagtatawa na nila ako. Kasi hindi mo ako kilala.
Mm-hmm.
So, if you can read the message na sinabi ko doon sa una na hindi talaga gumagana yung DOH number na yan, na kung kunyari yung tao, yun na yung last resort, walang nangyayari. Nakakaloka. Kaya, please, I mean, if ever.
Bakit tayo magkausap ngayon?
Tama pa ba yung, tama pa ba itong ginagawa ko na sumusubok ako ulit na parang ang layo ng, well, hindi naman sa hindi ko siya gusto, pero may possibility kasi na baka hindi na naman yung, itong linya na to, yung bubuo kami ng team for PR, for marketing and everything. But if hindi na naman mag-work to, mag-uulit na naman ako. Pagod na ako, Papa Jack. Hanggang ilan pa? Ano yung indication na totoo na yung sinasabi nilang just because you do not give up?
Okay, let's slow down a little bit now. You are all over the place. I do not know what you want. Do you want something for yourself? Do you want some things for other people?
Well, I want something for myself.
Okay.
I just need someone na magsasabi sa akin na parang this is a phase na pinagdadaanan ng lahat.
Okay. Ako na, okay lang? I can have a pretty good idea of what you're going through. To the best of my ability, I'll talk to you. That's okay?
Oh, yes, of
Okay.
course.
There are two sides of how you're telling me your story tonight. Good and bad. It's bad because you are trying to be pessimistic of what is good about it. Yung bagay na mabuti, ginagawa mo masama. Like, you are young, you are 29 years old, and there's so much you've done in life, and there's so much in life going for you. You know what's your best asset right now? There are two things that I discovered while you were telling me your story. You want me to tell you?
Sige po.
Number one, you've got ambition. You may have the difficult time figuring out what's your ambition, but you have ambition. Not all of us are gifted with the clarity to know what we want in life early on. I did not know what I want in life until I was 31. Nasabi ko tuloy, edad ko, bad trip. I did not know. Di ba? Hindi ko alam. So you are in the safe zone. Number 2. Ready for number 2?
Yes.
You have time. You are just 29 years old. Ang bata mo pa. Kanina, habang kausap kita before you started telling me the story, you made so much sense to me. No? You have this outward direction of energy. Tinanong kita, ano bang gusto mo? Ano, Katrina? Something for other people or for yourself? Sabi mo sa akin, for myself. But you're wrong. A lot of the things that you want is for other people. Not for yourself. Kahit ulit natin yung kwento mo, none of these things will benefit you as a person. Di ba? Comparing to how it's going to benefit other people. Let's go, di ba? That's going to be in the way as you do the things na gusto mong gawin. Ang lahat ng bagay na sinasabi mo para sa ibang tao. And there's nothing wrong with that. But maybe the reason why you're feeling the way you're feeling right now is because there's nothing there for you. It's all outwards. I mean, if you live for that, like planting mangroves, organizing pageants for other people, being a part of the community where you promote, social structures, that's okay eh. Pero huwag mo hanapin din yung para sa'yo because that's not really for you. That's social service. What's for you is you've got skills, you've got photography skills. May photography skills ka pala, di magbenta ng picture. Ang ganda yung magandang lugar sa Zambales. Take photos of the nature, di ba? Print it out, sell it. Benta mo ng high-res. Raw. Edit mo. Benta mo, pang wall. I-frame mo. That's for you. Di ba? Organize a pageant, magbabayad ka. Kasi skill set mo yan eh. I have a friend na coach. I'll be with this guy tomorrow. Si Coach Luis, no? Okay lang mag-share? Makialam? Hello?
Yes, hello po.
Yeah.
Nakikinig ako, parang ninanamdam ko yung mga sinasabi niyo.
Okay lang sumali ako sa kwento mo.
Of course.
May kaibigan ako na coach. I never asked him to teach me because he wouldn't allow me to pay him. Kasi yan eh, mantra ko yan, if you're good with what you do, never do it for free. And you're good with things. Sabi mo, nakapag-organize ka, it cascaded into another, it was supposed to be just a pageant. It turned into a charity. Diba? It turned into a nature, ang tawag nun, yung mangrove planting ninyo.
Yes, nag-mangrove planting kami.
Well, hindi ko sinasabing masama yan. But if you're looking your significance and validation there, get paid. Turn it into a job. Then magiging sa'yo. Alam ko na Katrina, you're young. It's really easy to have fun. Tama? It's really easy to have fun. It's really easy to forget that you're gonna grow older when you're young. Yan ang problema ng mga kabataan ngayon eh. They don't realize that they're gonna grow older in life. And sometimes they don't prepare for it. And I like you dun sa sense that you are preparing for that. I like you for that. Because you are so aware that the future may come. I'm sorry, not may, but will come.
Andito ako, Papa Jack. Ninalamdam ko lahat ng mga sinasabi mo. Kasi, parang feeling ko hindi lahat ng tao kaya mag-handle ng ganito. Sana lahat ng tao kayang makipag-usap sa ganito nila ng kagaya ng sa'yo. Pero tama ka din sa part na yun. Paano nga kung mali na naman ako, okay na mag-season 1? season mo na naman. Iba-ibang episode.
You remember the two things that you have that I said? Say it. You remember? You have two things that's striking. You remember? O nakikinig ka ba? Kamukala?
The out.
No. Number one is you have ambition. Number two, you have time. So what kung magkamali ka? So what kung madapa ka? So what? Eh, no.
What eh? Wala na talagang time.
You have time. You're 29 years old.
Eh, di ba, hindi naman natin sure what if naglalakad lang ako, bigla akong
Alam mo, it's going to kill the joy of life if you anticipate bad things will happen to good intentions.
point.
Yeah.
Oo nga, no? Parang ang saya na biglang pag yun yung inisip. Wala, sira. Oo nga, no?
It's more profound to lose or to fail into something because you tried rather than not having to try at all but still not get what you want. I told this 3 nights ago yata or 2 nights ago. I'll tell you. Ready?
Mhm.
Lista mo yung 10 bagay na kaya mong gawin ng libre. 10 bagay. Nagagawin mo libre. I don't care kung chismis yan, magsalita, kumain, magluto, mag-drawing, mag-photography. Ilista mo siya from 1 to 10. And then, pag nilista mo na siya from 1 to 10, rank it. Number 1 as the most important. Number 10 as the least important. You are going to end up with the list with 10 items that you are going to do even if you're not being paid. Tama, mali?
Yes.
Okay. Take the first 5. Top 5. Find a job. Napasok yung unang 5. Kahit maliit sweldo, you are going to enjoy it every day. Why? Because you do it for free. What more pag binayaran ka?
Oo nga, no? Pero ilang taon na rin kasi ako unemployed, technically.
Because you're having so much fun being with your circle.
No, kasi na-enjoy ko siya. Parang, okay lang ko.
Yeah,
Uy,
exactly.
hindi na
But
parang nararamdaman ko ang daming beses.
yes, but you did not grow. You did not grow. I mean, it's fun to have a circle. But at some point, life's going to remind you that the future is real. Tama, mali.
Tama.
And you did not grow. Nag-stale ka na eh. But you still have time and ambition, so not a bad way to start. Kaya mo 'yan. And again, I'm not big with commending people and patronizing people for no reason. But I like your wisdom. You're so critical in a good sense.
Ay, grabe ka naman.
I am not, hindi kita binobola. Hindi ka malandi. Kahit na ikaw ay LGBTQ, you have so much sense. I like the way that you yung posturing mo ng sarili mo. You have ambition. Diba? You have respect to what you can do. You learn. Learning photography is very technical. I'm a photo hobbyist. Diba? You are on the creative side. Tama, mali?
Yes po.
Andiyan ang ABS-CBN, andiyan GMA, andiyan ang TV5. Maybe that's where you need to be.
Ay, i-share ko lang. Pwede ko namang i-share.
Aha.
Tungkol siya.
Mm.
Kasi ganito yun. Totoo rin yung sinasabi nila, no, na hindi dahil hindi ka qualified or hindi dahil wala sa iyo yung credentials, matatakot ka nang mag-apply or sumubok. Ganito yan, Papa Jack.
Mm.
Siyempre, yung mga hinawakan namin, yung 2 mayor.
Mm.
Inaipanalo namin yung isa. Siyempre, medyo, sa isip ko lang naman, medyo mayabang ako niyan.
Mm.
First lady yung mayor ngayon. na yun. First lady siya, dating asawa ni Mayor. Eh. Kahit hindi masyadong linyahan natin hindi ka linya ng paniniwala natin. Work is work. Eto na. Nag-email pala ako kay First Lady.
Mhm.
Tapos, nakalimutan ko na yun na nag-email ako. Noong October, may nag-message sa akin, interview. Sabing ganun sa subject. Yung email na ginamit ko, work email, yung ginagamit ko pang VA.
Okay.
Wala naman ako in-apply yan. Sabi ko ganun. May invitation for a Zoom call. So, yung Presidential Communications Office, nag-reach out sila kasi nakita nila yung mga gawa na ipinasa ko doon sa email kay First Lady. So, well, ito lang naman na parang sino ba naman ako para pagtuunan nila ng pansin, di ba? So, that was
Why do you look down?
more than one
Why do you look
hour.
down on yourself? Bakit mo minamalit ang sarili mo?
Hindi na, parang
You are.
natitigil lang ako.
You
Kanina ba ako
are.
magaling?
You are. Minamalit mo ang sarili mo. As if you don't deserve attention. That's not okay.
Natuwa naman ako doon. Kasi parang, kasi pinipin ako natanggap. Hindi na sila nag-reach out eh. So parang ginagaslight ko na yung sarili ko na parang, at least, diba, napansin ako.
Well, hindi gaslight yan. That is you trying to compliment yourself because you were once a part of the options to do something really important. Right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Galing-galing ko naman.
That's the spirit.
At ngayon ko na lang ulit sinabi sa sarili ko yan
Can I tell you something about myself?
Yes.
I've been in the limelight for a while now. I have a small spark in the industry of radio. May maliit akong footprint sa radio. One day, maybe people will remember me. Maybe some will, a lot won't. Maybe I will become an insignificant part of this industry. But I did not need anybody to like me. I like myself. Yeah. I never required anybody to like me. You know, when you realize that, it's very liberating. And you are going to appreciate lahat na may gusto sa'yo. Because it makes you be true to yourself. And I have a feeling that you get your validation from people liking you. Right?
Siguro. Kasi nasanay din akong, alam mo yung parang laging ibibida.
Well, hindi mo kailangan yan. Huwag ka lang maging mayabang. There's a thin line between confidence and arrogance. Say it with me. Say it with me. I want you to say it because I want you to remember this a long time. There's a thin line.
There is a thin line
between confidence and arrogance.
Confidence and arrogance.
Be confident, but not be arrogant.
Mm-hmm. Yun nga po, kaya natatakot din ako maging masyadong confident. Baka iba yung maging dating.
Well, you're too careful in life. Have fun. You have time. You have ambition. Ganito every time you feel the way you feel right now, and you've got no one to talk to, like hindi mo ko lagi naka-live na. I want you to remember what I'm going to tell you. Ready?
Yes.
Stop overthinking life. Just leave it. Stop overthinking life. Just live life. There's another one. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
If you truly want to be happy, then be. That's it. Of course, there will be sad days in life. Of course, as human beings, we feel disappointments. Of course. But life is all about bottom lines.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? If your bottom line is you're okay, you're happier in life, kahit malungkot ka, you go back to your bottom line.
Mm. Salamat Papa
I
Jack.
really think you'll do so much good in life, no? And hindi ako hin- hindi ako nag-aalala para sa I think you'll make it big. I think you'll make it big because you know exactly that you need to move forward in life. And that's one thing, no? Hindi lahat may ganyan. Hindi lahat may ganyan. Maybe
Totoo din naman
yeah.
yan. Pagiging ambisyosa.
Yan. Maybe Katrina, maybe not ganyan sabi ko kanina,
Tone
not
down.
everyone will figure out what they want in life early on. Maybe you are just getting there.
Normal.
Yep, normal.
Baka maganda yung patutunguhan ko kaya masyado maraming pinapagawang qualifications ang universe.
True. Para pagdating mo sa kung saan ka dapat mapunta, well-equipped ka na.
Tumpak. Feeling ko naman magagamit. Hindi masasayang lahat to.
Yes.
Pero ito na, Papa Jack. Marami na rin mga negative na nangyari dahil sa pagiging ambisyon ako. Pati nga yung jowa ko, iniwanan ko dati.
Yung alin,
Kailan ko
sorry.
lang nariyan. Yung jowa ko.
Well, you must not have loved him enough para iwanan siya.
Ay, gano'n.
Yes. I'll tell you that. We don't even have to talk about it.
Oo nga. Pero parang nangihinayang lang kasi ako.
You'll find one soon. Someone is going to share the wavelength that you have. Someone is not going to dim your light, but be a source of power to light more.
Ay. Kakatuwa naman. Pero nai-intimidate kasi mga lalaki sa akin. Gusto nila nahahawak nila sa leeg.
That's not a bad
So, kasing personality
that's
ko,
not
diba?
that's not a bad quality. Soon enough, you're going to meet your black swan. Ano ba yung black swan?
Hindi.
I heard this from a friend. Black swan is someone you're going to meet. Kung dati, hindi ka sumasakay ng tricycle, makapasakay ka niya kahit ayaw mo. Kung dati hindi ka nagugas ng plato, pag sinabi niya magugas ka ng plato. Kung dati never ka nagbaba ng pride, magbaba ka ng pride para sa kanya. In this lifetime, we are going to meet one black swan. And you will not let go of it.
Na-excite naman ako doon.
Yes.
Pero wag mo na yun. Sa career muna.
Ikaw to nagbanggit-banggit ng jowa. Kaltokan ka doon.
Kasi excited din naman ako. Kasi dati ang pangarap ko lang maging housewife.
Mhm.
Nag-practice ako magluto ng mga 42 dishes.
Diba?
Para hindi namin magiging problema ang kung ano lulutuin. Ang ending, naging ambisyosa akong malala.
That's not bad. That's okay. Look, this is a time of your life you're figuring out things for yourself. One day, maybe 5, 6 years from now, you'll figure out life, diba, with someone in consideration. But for now, it's all about you. So be it about you. Okay, Katrina?
Alam, MILF na ako nun, Papa.
Tumingil ka. Anyway, salamat sa pagtawag. I will remember you for a very long time. Thank you very much.
I love you, Papa Jack. Since college, nakikinig na ako sa'yo.
Tigilan mo na yan, ha? Huwag mo na akong, naku talaga, napapatandain mo pa ako. Good morning to you and say hi to your parents who's feeding you now. Bye-bye, Katrina.
Bye-bye po. And I'm Papa Jack. Thank you.
Bye-bye po.